Hey friends, welcome back to Easy English with Kat. Today we're going to do something fun and useful. Let's test your English with a quick beginner English test. Whether you're just starting out or brushing up on the basics, this test is going to help show how much real English you actually know. So grab a pen or just count your answers in your head. Let's get started. All right, round one is vocabulary basics. Let's begin with some vocabulary. I'll give you a sentence and you fill in the blank. Your job is to fill in the missing word. Ready? Question one. I always drink a cup of in the morning. I always drink a cup of blank in the morning. Juice, water, or coffee? The answer is coffee. For example, I always drink a cup of coffee in the morning. But water is a healthy choice too. Question two. He is my mother's son. He is my blank. A, brother. B, uncle. C, cousin. The answer is brother. My mother's son is my brother. All right, let's move on to round two, common mistakes. Now let's look at some common beginner mistakes. You will hear two sentences. Your job is to choose which one is correct. Which sentence is correct? A, she go to school. B, she goes to school. The answer is B, she goes to school. Remember, we add S to the verb when the subject is he, she, or it. She goes, not she go. Question 4. Which one of these sounds natural? A, I have 25 years old, am 25 years old. The answer is B. I am 25 years old. In English, we use the verb to be with age, not to have. Remember this. This trips up a lot of people and it's very important. All right, now we're at round 3, listening. Now I'll say a short sentence at normal speed. Listen carefully and then I will ask a question. I'm gonna grab some lunch. What does that mean? A, I'm going to eat lunch. B, I'm cooking dinner. Or C, I'm leaving the house. The answer is A, I'm going to eat lunch. In English, gonna means going to. Gonna is real English that you will hear every day. Question 6, listen to this sentence. Can you give me a hand? What does this mean? A, can you clap for me? B, can you help me? C, can you lend me money? The answer is B, can you help me? In English, the expression give me a hand means help. This is super common in everyday expression. Okay, round 4, everyday conversation. Now let's try some real life phrases. You'll hear part of a sentence. What's the best way to finish it? Question 7, nice to meet you. You say A, me too, B, nice to meet you too, or C, yes, I'm nice. The answer is B, nice to meet you too. This is simple and polite. It's very easy. Question 8, you're in a store and somebody says, can I help you? You say A, I'm just looking, thank you. B, no help. Or C, help me now. The answer is A, I'm just looking, thank you. This is polite and it's very common in shops. This is a must-know phrase when you are shopping. Okay, how did you do? Let's check your score. Did you get 8 correct? That's amazing. Keep practicing and you'll be fluent in no time. Did you get 5 to 7 correct? That's great. You know the basics. Did you score below 5? Don't worry, just rewatch and check out the beginner playlist on my channel. Tell me in the comments, how many did you get right and which one surprised you the most? Thanks for taking the quiz with me today. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more real easy English every week. See you in the next video. Bye for now.